Hi, I'm Robert Bautner. There's a poem that I can tell you in part. It's outside my window today, only I can determine what kind of day it'll be. Bright, sunny, happy and gay, or dull, boring, unhappy and gray. That's as far as I choose to remember that poem. There's a lot of complications that go into that poem beyond that point in my head. Not everybody gets to choose that, to make that decision on their own. Probably because of mental health. I get it. I have a piece of paper that says I'm autistic. So today I choose to be happy and gay rather than unhappy and gray. I get to show you my farm in part. And I'm going to introduce you to my dog as we go do our rounds. But first of all, I need to put my hat on and we'll go to work. I have to set up my camera. Alright, I think we got it. Let's go, Bo. This is Bo. Let's go. Oh yeah. He knows we gotta go get treats. And always give him a treat in the beginning. See ya. There we go. Alright. Stay by me. And of course, you have to mark your territory. He likes eating horse hooves, trimmings. This is Chick and Chief. Chief's in the foreground. This is Zen. He gets fed first since he's the closest to the hay. I'll pull out the hay. This is straight alfalfa. There you go. I got my cart loaded up yesterday for this morning. Actually, I'm going to give him a little bit of fur, a little bit of grass. There we go. Her name is Zen. Almost looks like there was a little frost last night. Alright. I have my hay cart ready to go. Bo found a horse hoof trimming to eat. And we are going to go. This is Jack. He's in the shelter. Charlie, he knows he's getting fed by me. The owner comes and feeds Jack. Inside the barn door, a few weeks back, Bo found a raccoon pup. And I don't know if I dare check it out. but I'll check it out carefully. Stay here. He's ready to jump in there and help. But I don't know whether the raccoon is in there or not. I have to be very careful because... Okay, they're gone. They were right there in that nest area. There you go. There we go. But now they're gone. All right, that's good to know. He pulled a pup out, and he was very gentle with the... Come, here. Come. He's very gentle with the pup. Come here. Maybe they're still in there. Well, I'll leave it for now. Horses are waiting. They're hungry. This is Tinker. I don't feed Tinker. The owner comes and feeds Tinker. She's a pretty good horse. She's a very playful horse. This is Charlie. Oh, well, so I never joined the basketball team. I think this is Magoo. This is Cash. Bo's looking to find a way in to say hi to the sheep. There's the two sheep. Oh, there's Bo. He wants to go play. They don't want to play with him. But they don't know he wants to play. So sometimes Ollie will try to ram Bo, and Bo's like, yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to play. But Ollie thinks differently. This is, I think, Maya. No, I can't remember. I can't remember her name. I will. So, convenient way for him to drink. I did forget some hay up on top, but I can get it out of here. Except, where's my knife? I gotta go get my knife. Cut the bales of hay. Alright, I found my knife. I left it in the truck. I'm gonna give this next horse a mix of grass and alfalfa. Alright, I think we got it. Let's go, Bo. Bo likes eating my hay. Well, the horse's hay. This is a new horse too. I'm learning his name. This is Luna. She is a very beautiful horse, especially when the owner braids her mane and her tail. In future videos, I'll show you other parts of the farm. In some respect, it's a walk through my mind. It's a world I created when I was started 7 years old. There's reasons why I did that. I'll explain later. But I started creating my own world. I needed to in order to survive. Didn't know my world would include horses down the road, but it did, and it is a very peaceful part of my world. This is Coco. This is Sugar and Spice, Sugar for short, and that's Gator. Somebody asked me, what kind of horses do you have? I said, brown ones and white ones and red ones and sometimes polka dotted ones. She says, don't you know your horses? I said, no. I didn't start this knowing my horses. I'm coming. Very impatient horse. Oh, Bo likes to look for something to chase after. I have to be careful because he likes to grab the hay and sometimes throw me off balance. I just go right down the line. And I'll drain Sugar. I won't clean pens today. They're too mucky from rain the last couple of days. These are all owned by the same owner. They've been here for a number of years, but I don't remember their names. They're pretty simple. This is the new baby horse. Yeah. Girl. I think she has a nice disposition. They don't always let you do this, but they definitely like their back scratched. Alright. Alright, let's go get the rest of the horses fed.